Hey, this is Michael from Untapped, and I'll be teaching the intermediate combination from January 14th. So we're going to start off, both feet are going to do 2 toes, then 1 heel, then 2 toes again. We go. Going to take 2 crawls to the left, starting with our heels first. Finish with a ball change, stamping the second foot. We're going to continue going this direction with a series of shuffles and accents on our front foot. We're going to go shuffle, step down, shuffle, step, heel down, shuffle, step, and down. From here, we're going to drag it out, step, 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 step. So that's our first 8. Our second 8 is going to start on the right foot with a pressed roll. We're going to go step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, step. We're going to shuffle, step, heel, step, step with the left, shuffle, step, heel, step, step with the right. And then we're going to go into this long break. We're going to do 2 shuffle ball changes, starting with our left foot, moving to the right. Shuffle, step, step, shuffle, step, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, step. We're going to finish off with crawl, lap, shuffle, step, step, crawl, lap, shuffle, step, step, crawl, lap, and do. And that's the combination. 5, 6, ready, and